find what I've been looking for. In the middle of the night, I go walking in my sleep to the valley of fear, to a river so deep. Well, I'm searching for something taken out of my soul, something I will never lose, something somebody stole. I don't know where I go walking at night when I'm tired and I don't walk anymore. I hope it doesn't take the rest of my life until I find what it is that I've been looking for. In the middle of the night, I go walking in my sleep to the jungle of doubt, to a river so deep. I know I'm searching for something, something so undefined that can only be seen through the eyes of the blind. In the middle of the night. God knows I've never been a spiritual man. I'm baptized by the fire wade into the river that runs to the promised land. In the middle of the night, I go walking in my sleep to the desert of truth, to a river so deep, where I'll land in the ocean, you'll start in the street. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. And nothing to kill or die for. And no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Or would you run and never look back? Or would you cry if you saw me crying? Or would you save my soul tonight? Would you tumble